Hello, you are welcome to a special topic: how to use Aidan fruit, turmeric, and onions pea tea for broiler. Do you want to get fast-growing broilers? Do you want to get maximum growth in your broiler and other poultry beds? Please, when I am talking about broiler, I'm just using broiler as a point of contact to other poultry beds. All these are, this particular combo is for general poultry and livestock animals. Even this combo, after preparing it, I used to give it to my farm dog here. The dog that guide my farm here, I used to give it to them also. She's not meant for broiler. Don't come and ask me on the question, can I give it to my layers beds? All the poultry beds are the same, whether broiler or anything. They are called, this particular medication is good for all of them. So use it for them also. Both four-legged animals, goat, sheep, cow, cattle, and others, pig, including rabbit, guinea pig, and others. Use it for them. It works for them also. They are under livestock. That's why you see livestock feed. So it is meant for all the livestock. Give it to them, they will eat it. What matters is the percentage and the quantity they will take. It differs. So in this particular video, we are looking at the Aidan fruit, turmeric, and onions peas combo. The tea, how to use it to boost maximum broiler weight. You want to get 8 kg, 10 kg, 12 kg, 6 kg, 4 kg, and rest. This particular combo can help you to get that. Once the broilers are very healthy, they can give you any weight they want. Let me tell you one thing. It is not easy to get 2 kg broiler, because once your broiler is not healthy, you start looking for buyers instantly. But you can only continue rearing your broiler 6 weeks, 7 weeks, 8 weeks, 9 weeks, because they are healthy. If they are healthy, you continue feeding them, they will continue growing maximum weight, and they will convert the feed. But when they are not healthy, you will be looking for someone, you will be running a hater-skater, looking for buyer. Please come and buy my, any amount of want the price, you just sell it, because so they will not buy in your hand. That's why it is not easy to get 5 kg. I have seen some of you on the comment section say we can get up to 5 kg, 6 kg. Yes, it is not easy. It takes dedication, it takes hard work, and it takes adequate biosecurity and management skills. So in this video, we are looking at Aidan fruit. See Aidan fruit here. This is Aidan fruit. I don't know what to call it, this in your own locality, on your own local language. This Aidan fruit, you can identify this. You see it here, this Aidan fruit. It is very powerful. It has strong aromatic smell. Very wonderful. It's a spice. It is used for delicacies. Most usually, when a woman gives birth in our own community, they normally use this to cook yam pepper soup for their person. The person will take it. It helps them a lot. It helps in early breast milk feeding of their young babies. So this is a very powerful plant. It's a very powerful fruit. You can see it here. It has been ground. See it? I've grind it here. Are you seeing it? This is the fruit itself. This is where I grind it. Here we're going to use it to prepare organic tea for your poultry and livestock animals. This is turmeric. You have seen turmeric. Please, I will advise you to watch the video till the end. See turmeric here. Are you seeing it? This is turmeric. Are you seeing it? This is onions peel. Are you seeing onions peel here? See it? This onions peel, not onions. This is the onions peel itself. So watch the video till the end and get the maximum benefit from this particular video. I'm going to give you all the nutritional values and how you can make use of them in poultry and livestock farming, and what they can do for you in poultry and livestock farming also, and how to prepare it, dosage to give to your own poultry and birds and other livestock animals. Discover the powerful combination of Aidan fruit, turmeric, and onions pea tea to boost broiler growth naturally and rapidly. In the particular video, I going to review all this to you, how we make use of it here, and at the same time how you are going to use the formula you are going to use to enhance feed conversion, strengthen the immunity, and drive explosive growth in broilers and other poultry and livestock animals. This is a must watch for every poultry farmer seeking to naturally lower the cost of their poultry rearing, maximizes their profit, and give organic solution for raising big broilers, healthy birds without synthetic additives. You need to watch all this till the end. You're going to learn how to prepare and administer this tea. You're going to see the exact quantity and benefit you get from this particular tea, and understand why the most vets don't like you to know this, and the successful poultry farmers use it also to grow their birds. Watch to the end for a bonus tip and combining this particular tea, how to combine this tea with your feeding schedule. Watch this video to the end for a bonus tips and how to combine this tea with your feeding schedule to work well for your poultry and livestock animals. Please don't skip any of the tracks so that you get the best from this. Are you ready to unlock explosive broiler growth using just Aidan fruit, turmeric and onion peel? In this video, I will show you all how to prepare this tea and how you're going to blend it for heavy chicken and fast growing birds. The natural vets approve this way also, and they don't want you to know this because you are going to spoil market for them. The medicinal and health benefits of Aidan fruit, turmeric and onion peel in poultry farming. How to prepare powerful tea using these particular ingredients here. See them. How this tea supports immune development and growth in their old chicks and bigger birds. The right dosage, timing, and the maximum performance you are going to get. 5 powerful ways this particular natural solution will promote an unstoppable broiler growth and their old chicks to maximize their potentials. Watch to the end, please. Don't skip any of the tracks at all, so that you will not have anything to ask. If you're asking, it's only thank you for this particular video. 1. What are the medicinal properties of this particular plant and their health benefit? Aidan fruit, let's start with 1, the Aidan fruit, which is the baba here. The main ingredient here is the Aidan fruit. Others are supportive ingredients. You know, we have main ingredients and we have supportive ingredients. Main ingredients are the ones that will take proper charge of the whole system, the whole combo. Then others support them. The Aidan fruit is Tetrapilare tetrapetra. That is the botanical name. It is a wonderful plant. It boosts appetite and feed conversion. No wonder my mother used it whenever she gave birth. We always use this to cook pepper soup for her, and she drink it always. This will help her to eat well so that her breast milk will be running. That's what most mothers use in Igbo land. They know this very well. They used to cook it, even soup. They used to add it in their soup. That when they give birth newly, because it helps to create appetite, you'll be able to eat more. Chickens will eat a lot and be able to convert that feed into meat for you. It acts as strong immune system and immune stimulant, strengthen their immunity also. It fights bacteria and respiratory issues, infections and issues in poultry. It also improves gut health and digestion in poultry. Enhance growth rate with rich micronutrients. The particular plant, see it. Then the next one here is turmeric. See turmeric. I have many of them here. Each of them, I'm going to give you how you're going to use it. We are not going to. This is the one you see. I have already ground the one I will use here. This is the one I will use. I already ground it into powder. Then this is. You can still cook it like this, but it's better you grind it or pound it before you cook it. I'm going to tell you how I'm going to prepare it. See the main fruit here. Why I use this main fruit so that you can easily identify it. This is the turmeric. Turmeric has natural antibiotics and anti-inflammatory. It improves liver health and detoxification. It enhances nutrient absorption in poultry and livestock. It promotes growth and weight gain. It also promotes blood circulation in poultry and healthy blood. It strengthens the best natural immunity fast. The next one here is, this is free. You get this free. Don't buy this from the market. All these ones you buy them, but this one they will ask you to pack this free. That's all. This onion peel. Onion peel is rich in quercetin, a powerful antioxidant. It reduces internal inflammations and stress. It prevents common infections like coccidiosis. It supports respiratory health and oxygen flow. It acts as natural growth and performance boosters in poultry and livestock animals. What are the 5 ways this particular tea, when prepared it? This is a tea. Remember, in your tea you put sugar, you put milk, you put other beverages to make up the tea. This tea is a combo of itself that come together. Then later you drink it. That's what the tea you're going to prepare here also. In tea you put Lipton also. You put coffee and other ones. But here this is a tea for poultry now. You're going to see how you're going to prepare it and how they're going to take it, how it's going to work for them also, and what we can achieve with this. What you have been achieving with this also, you're going to know them also. 1, 5 ways this tea can help the old chicks grow fast and strong. You can use this particular combo for even the old chicks on arrival. You can already prepare this and allow you to cool. Because the way we are going to prepare this can stay up to 3 to 4 days even. Prepare, allow you to cool before they arrive. Then it's to supercharge immune development in poultry and livestock. Once they arrive, you give it to them. You're going to supercharge the immunity, strengthen the immunity from the vaccine they are already taken from the hatchery. Help chicks fight off early stage diseases, preventing mortality in brooding. It improves feed conversion efficiency. Chicks eat less but grow more, saving you money while achieving weight gain and maximum results. It boosts gut health. It enhances digestion and nutrient absorption from the fast feed absorption, and it gives them maximum weight and maximum result within short period of time. Detoxification and supports liver health. Keeps internal organs healthy and supports faster development in poultry and livestock. It promotes rapid muscle and bone growth. It results in well-formed active weight broilers. By 6 to 8 weeks, you have achieved your maximum weight. Short period of time, just short period of time. In this particular nest, you are going to gain all this. How we are going to apply it? How do you do this? Now, I will show you how we are going to do it. The first stage is cut this into slice them into small pieces like this. After slicing them, small units like this. This, if you like, pound this also. This is fresh one. You can like, this is turmeric. You can pound it. If you don't have this turmeric, you can still use turmeric powder, the powder one. All this as it is like this. See this, wash this thoroughly. After washing it, then pour it inside a pot. Pour this inside the pot. Add 1 liter of water, 1 or 2 depending on the size of the pot. Boil it very well. The aroma within here, you will be smelling the aroma within the environment. Anybody passing will be smelling the aroma of this, because this is a powerful plant. This Aidan fruit is a very powerful plant. You see, you perceive the aroma. Allow it to cook very well. After 20 to 30 minutes, bring it down. Allow it to cool. After cooling, keep it. Then you want to, whenever you are feeding your chicken, what you do is extract some quantity, add little water, serve to your poultry birds. Do this 3 consecutive days, non-stoppable, please, non-stoppable. 3 consecutive days, do it and see a maximum result you're going to get from that chicken. Those chicken will clear. You hardly spend 10 kobo on synthetic medication throughout the operation. Then if you have money, get our Eco Bio Booster, the liquid tea for poultry birds. All these things you are seeing here, all I'm teaching are inside them. Remember, see what this one, most of you are already giving testimonies how this works. Only one alone works. Now, no, when they are fortified, they say 1 can chase how many? 1,000. Why 2 will chase how many? 10,000. Then if you have this one alone, you are chasing 1,000 diseases. Then if there are 2, they will chase 10,000. That means there is power and strength in unity. When they are fortified and well prepared, preserved for longer period of time, up to 4 years, that Eco Bio Booster, you can use it up to 4 years. See it on the screen here. The containers, the batch 2 is already out. If you need it, it's a different price, because all these plants we use, garlic, ginger, scent leaf, turmeric, all this is aloe vera, all of them have increased the price. A mudu of garlic now in my own region where I buy, I don't know your own region, please. If you tell me on the comment section, if it's cheaper in your own area, I will buy from there, and I can give you discount. Here is a mudu of garlic is 25,000. A mudu of ginger is 15,000. So it's very costly, and all this is what we use for this our Eco Bio Booster. This is a liquid tea for your poultry and livestock animals that give you maximum weight within a short period of time. If you need it, send message on the comment section. There is a link here. You can see the number. Send message on this number. This number is not for you to ask me for money or ask me for anything, except how much is, not even how much. I've given you price already. It's account detail to pay for the Eco Bio Booster and how to get it. That's all. Don't come and ask me questions. I have a fee formula to do this. No. If you must get special attention from me, you must be our channel member. Register, join the channel community membership. If you want to get special assistance from me, that's the only way. Because if you help me to grow my channel and my own business, I will also help you to grow your own business also. Only my channel members. For subscribing, yes, you're not a channel, you are just a subscriber. What it means that you watch the videos free. You don't pay for the videos, you watch the videos free with your data. Then, if you ask question regarding the video, I can answer you on the comment section. But if you ask a different question entirely, technically for your pay-through business, you have to pay. And if you don't pay, you have to be a channel member. And if you're a channel member, the YouTube benefits from their channel membership. It's not only me. That money I pay is not going to me, it's going to YouTube. YouTube is going to give me a fraction of that money. Why the YouTube will take a fraction of the money? And YouTube will give you a tag. That sticker is for you. Once you ask me a question on the comment section, that question you ask is coming with that sticker that this is a channel member. I will answer that question immediately. No matter the question you ask me as a channel member, I will answer it. If you like, ask me about your business, how to grow a business, how to start your business, I will answer you. But if you're not a channel member, you ask me that question, it is not possible. I will answer you. God bless you. May you be blessed. Remain blessed. Old age, that's what I will tell you. Grow old and you will not die young. That's what I will always tell you. I will always bless you. But answering that question will be difficult for me, because even in your own group, if you're not a member of any particular group, you won't benefit. You don't have proper right and benefit of that particular group. If you're not a member of a union, you're not a financial member of the union, that means you're not equal to get the right and benefit of that particular union also. That's what it means also. So even in worship centers, you are in a church, in a mosque, if you're not a member of a group of that particular church, if anything happens to you, you don't go for assistance. They will not listen to you. If you're just a church goer, in the Sunday medicine, you come and sit on the front seat with your Bible, worship God and go. Yes, that no problem. But if the issue arises, you have a special issue, you call the church, they will tell which group do you belong. If you don't belong to any group, even if you buy, they will bring a register. Which group does you belong? You have to pay all your debts and dues before they will attend your ceremony. You are right. That's all. If not, you're not entitled to any right at all. So if you're not a channel community member, you're not entitled to right of using my attention, my own time, my own private time for me to answer your professional questions. It's not possible. I can answer your question based on my video. Yes, drop a question, I will answer them. If you ask me a professional question, please, this is a fit formula. Help me to develop this formula. I will not do that. I will tell you, God bless you. That's what I will answer you. God bless you. So if you want me to grow my own business, I will also help you to grow your own business. But if you're too stingy that I can't contribute that little token on monthly basis to help us grow the channel, I cannot also use my own time. I will use that time to rest, to get my head. I'm teaching here free. Then that free, you watch it free also as a channel subscriber. That's all. I have repeated myself many times. For those of you that say I talk too much, there's no way you can teach without talking too much. If you say I talk too much, please, if you close your ears so you will not listen to me. Thank you for watching. The next video is uploading also. Don't miss it. Subscribe to our both channels so that you get all our videos. This particular video is loading in this channel, and that one is loading on that channel also at the same time. Thank you for watching. For now, I say bye.